Hello, Brother Art. Just a little update on what's going on up here. Look what happened, Art. Yesterday, last couple days, we got about 5 inches of rain, and then it got cold after my yard flooded. It floods there. Used to flood in front of my shed, my barn, but I resectioned my yard there, Art. See that vertical? My Michigan cacti? This weather reminds me, Art. This is, oh, shaky. This is antenna weather. And that Michigan cacti is going to get a 17-meter wire. Then it'll be for 20, 17, 15, 10, and 6. Art. Those trees remind me, I've got to get down there and help you put up your G5 RV again. Pretty quick here, pretty soon, Art. A 73-year-old man.